You're absolutely amazing, Jerome. Your voice is incredible. It truly feels like I'm listening to myself.
So guys, welcome back sa Batang Bulaga kami. At ngayon gagawa tayo ng reaction video kay Jerome na lang. At salamat pala sa may-ari nitong video to kasi medyo nagandaan ako sa pagka-edit niya. Lupit, may AI pa na Elvis Presley. So I hope if gustuhan niyo yung video nito, sana supportan din natin tong channel ito na People Choice. Alright, so umpisa na natin manood at samahan niyo ako magawa ng reaction
Some
dito.
clips like Elvis Presley voice or clips was an AI generated. Again, it's an AI generated. All right, we're bringing you another set of video clips featuring Jerome Everdome, the one and only Elvis of the Philippines. Today, we'll get to enjoy what looks like the very best of Elvis Presley. So get ready, sit back, and let's go.
Let's welcome
Galing.
Jerome Everdome.
Kulit din ni Jerome na, no?
Jerome!
Joke lang, tama na naman. Bago mo simulan sa inyong kanta, gusto niyo ba ng greet? Well, meet and greet, sorry. Gusto niyo ba makipag-meet and greet, mamaya? Well, labas kayo pagtapos. Picturean na. Okay lang ako.
Magaling na rin si Jerome
Next song mo kakantayin. Sayo ulit tayo sa'yo.
mag-perform.
Now, very next song, Don't Be Cruel. Lagi niyo naririnig sa Itbulaga.
Oo. May madalas ang katayin mo sa Itbulaga.
Okay. Tayo natin.
Pero di naman magsasawa sa tao
Yung
kasi
intro matagal
ito ka.
eh. Sensya na. Okay. A one, a two, a one, a two, a one, a two, a one, a two, a one, two, three, four, one, two, three, four.
Talaga.
You know I can't be found. Sitting home all alone. If you can't come around, at least please telephone. Don't be cruel. Do hard, that's true. For something I might have said. Let's forget the past. The future looks bright ahead. Don't be cruel. Do hard, that's true. I don't want to know how you love. Baby, it's just around. Hey, you know what you want to say. Don't be cruel. Ganda niya na. Baka nasa picture. Why should we be apart? I really love you, baby. Let's say hi. They don't know your hand. And I know that I'm on you. Don't be cruel. Do hard, that's true. I don't want to know what it is. Baby, it's just around. Don't be cruel. Do hard, that's true. I don't want to know what it is. Baby, it's just around. Take it off.
Ooh, galing. Alam po sa concert niya ngayon, kasama niya sila Ruel pati si Baron. Alam po sa gilid sila niyan eh. Nakikikulitan din sa kanila eh. Diretso natin.
Maybe I didn't love you. Was as good as I expected. Little things I should have said and done, but I just never took the time. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. All those lonely, lonely times. And I guess I never told you I'm so happy that you're mine. If I made you feel second best, you were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Tell me, give me one more chance to keep you satisfied. Oh, little things I should have said and done, but I just never took the time.
Yun, ang galing. Galing talaga ni Jerome. Kumbaga, lahat ng mga tao pinabibilib niya talaga ng gusto. At sana kung sakasakali po credit po kay People Choice yung gumawa nito. Ang ganda ng pagka-trim nila o pag-trim niya. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam ho dyan, bakit po putol-putol yung mga tugtog po minsan o kaya video po kasi iniiwasan po natin yung copyright. Kaya makikita nyo po sa iba po putol-putol. Okay, so diretso natin ulit. Yan yung gustong-gusto sa kanya ni ng mga tao kay Jerome. May temong kulit kumbaga pagiging magnetic icon ng Pilipinas ni Elvis Presley.
Kiss me quick, I just can't stand this way. For that kiss will open heaven's door, and we'll stay there forevermore. So kiss me quick, because I love you so. Oh, let the band keep playing, while we are swinging, that we'll never stop. Kiss me quick, while we still have this feeling. Tell me that tonight will last forever. Say that you will leave me never. Kiss me quick, because I love you so. Oh, let the band keep playing, while we are swinging. Oh, that will never stop. Kiss me quick, I just can't stand this waiting. Cause your lips are tired to know. Kiss me quick, because I love you so. Kiss me quick, because I love you so. Kiss me quick, because I love you so.
All right. Anong gagawin? Yun, favorite na lahat.
Love me
So, yun yung pamatay ni ano Elvis Presley at pamatay ngayon ni ni Jerome Ebardome. Galing. Paboritong-paborito ko yung kantang 'yan pati siyempre kayo din siyempre, 'di ba? So, comment down kung maganda ba pagkadali ni ni Jerome diyan. Siyempre, oo, 'di ba? So, comment na lang kung anong gusto niyong sabihin or reaction niyo diyan. Okay, diretso tayo.
Dixieland waiters. Oh, I wish I was in
Grabe, bumbuo yung boses no? Sa pakinggan.
for Dixieland. I was born, and they were one frosty morn. Look away, look away, look away. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah, hallelujah. His truth is marching on. So hush, little baby, don't you cry. You know your daddy's but oh,
Thank you for watching People's Choice. We hope
Okay,
you
tapos
enjoyed
na
this
pala. Hanggang
amazing
dun lang pala
performance
tong
by
video.
Jerome
Saglit lang pala.
Everdo, the one
Okay,
and
so
only
sana
Elvis of
sa
the Philippines.
mga gustong
If you love this video, don't forget to like, share,
magpa-shoutout
and
dyan,
subscribe for
sabihin nyo
more
na sa
unforgettable
ngayon
performances.
gumagawa tayo ng
Stay
reaction
tuned for
video
more
kaya
exciting
pa-shoutout,
clips. See you in the next
comment down.
video.
So next video natin na maglalagyan natin reaction i-shoutout ko kayo. And thank you ulit kay People Choice sa paggamit o pahiram sa atin ng video na to. At ang galing ng pagkagawa niya. Pati tama nga yung sabi nga dito ni Elvis Presley. Ayan, no?
You're absolutely amazing, Jerome. Your voice is incredible. It truly feels like I'm listening to myself.
Diba? Totoo nga. So, sana sa susunod po na video na gagawa natin reaction, samahan niyo po ulit ako at sana wag po kayo magsawa sa panibagong tema ng Batang Bulaga Kami. Alright? So, again, maganda gabi kasi gabi ako gumawa dito ngayon okay, so thank you very much. So, I hope someday or next video natin is kasama ko ulit kayo. Okay? Thank you very much. Bye! So, don't forget ulit pala to like and subscribe to my channel. So, sana hindi kayo magsawa at sana suportan nyo pa rin ako sa ganitong reaction video natin para kay Jerome or other clone. Alright? So, bye!